All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is what's called scalar multiplication. So I want to give you a little context here. Let's say I'm going to be building something, and I'm going to be building a house and then a detached garage. All right, and so those are the two rows in my matrix. Now in that house, I'm going to need a certain amount of wood. I'm going to need a certain amount of brick, and I'm going to need a certain amount of shingles. Okay. So if I've got large operations that involve lots of different purchases, a matrix or matrices can help me contain lots of data. It's like a spreadsheet. So if you've ever used Excel, it's like a technological version of a matrix. So let's say the wood, you're talking about feet of lumber. Brick, you're talking about thousands of bricks. Shingles, maybe it's pallets. So let's say that my numbers are maybe for the house, maybe I need 200, and maybe for the garage, I need 50. Maybe for the brick, I need, let's say, 10. And then for the garage, maybe I need 6. And then for the house, for the shingles, let's say we need 30, whereas the garage, maybe I just need 10. Now, imagine that instead of building one house and one garage, you're doing a development. Now, in a development, it's not like one individual designing their house. You're going to buy a big piece of land, and you're going to build lots of houses that maybe differ a little bit, but they are very similar. So maybe I want to make a development that has 20 houses. We're going to build 20 houses. What I want to do is I want to take this matrix times 20. Okay, I want 20 of those. And so the way I would do that is I would just take 20 times everything inside. So I would get 4,000 units of wood for the houses, and 20 times 50 would be 1,000 units of wood for the garages. 20 times 10 would be 200 thousands of bricks, and 20 times 6, 120,000 bricks. And then 30 times 20, 600 units of shingles. 20 times 10, 200 units of shingles for all of the garages. So that's called scalar multiplication. And you can multiply by any positive or negative number, by a constant, by a fraction, and so forth. So let me give you one and see if you can work it out. So let's say I want to do 3 times the matrix 2, 4, -6, -7, minus 4 times 6, 10, 8, and 5. So if you're got your paper, that pause it right here and work it out. And then when you unpause it, I will keep working out the solution. All right, hopefully I did that correctly. So here in these 2 steps, I multiplied by the scalar, and then here I subtracted. Okay, that's scalar multiplication.